Welcome brothers, Christopher Investor here. Are you ready to make money online starting from zero? I'm here to help you. This is the first episode of my new sequence of videos about how to make money online starting from zero. In this video, together with ChatGPT, I will provide to you high quality information to start making money online from zero. Stay with me until the end of this video and let's go. Alright brothers, here we are on ChatGPT. Before I start my sequence of questions to help you, I'm about to show here what is my goal with the sequence of videos and the sequence of episodes about how to make money online starting from zero. I want to help you that is on the beginning of your journey to be successful online, you that is starting from zero. So it will be an honor to help you. I have been working on millionaire projects online, and this will be a true honor to pass my experience to you. So now let's get started with the questions to ChatGPT. The first thing that I'll call to ChatGPT here is to act as a successful entrepreneur that already have a lot of experience working online. This way, ChatGPT will give better answers and a better guidance to help you with the answers that we need. Okay, so let's get started. So I already made the first question here to ChatGPT to help you that is on the beginning, that is starting from zero to become successful working online and how to make money online successfully. Okay, so the question that I made is how to be successful working online and how to make money online starting from zero. And then I asked to ChatGPT make a list of the best strategies and works online to begin. Here is the answer with 10 topics. It's a great answer with great content. I will choose the best ones and explain to you, so stay with me. So the topic number one is identify a profitable niche. It's very important that you choose a niche that have these requirements that I will list here for you. One, you need to find a niche that have high demand, a niche that is evergreen, where you're gonna be able to continuously make money online with sales on that niche. The topic number two is a niche where you can solve your customer problems and needs. It will be truly important that you give to your customers the solution of what they are looking for, what they need. Okay, and here I'll make a list for you to help about niches that have high demand and you can solve people problems and needs. Number one is health. The health niche is truly valuable and has high quality to work because there is always demand on the health niche. You can work with products to help on health, food. You can work with products that will provide people health foods, natural things about health, skincare for the women. That's a very good option of work on the health care. There's plenty of options that you can work, and I'm definitely sure that you can be successful working on the health niche. Going ahead, you also have other options like how to make money online, technology, all these niches that always have high demand and continuously customers looking for products that you can sell and make money online. Okay, going ahead, we have here the topic number 2, that is build an online presence. It truly is important that you make a presence of yourself professionally online. You can make it creating a website or a blog to post things about your products or service, and you can use social media platforms to promote your products, services. This will help you to found your audience and then bring them into customers, and engage with your audience will be very important, so you can make a connection with them, make a relationship where you can potentially, after you start to make our first offers, starting to make money online. Okay, going ahead, the topic number 3 is offer freelancing services. I really appreciate freelancing jobs because you're gonna have amazing opportunities to make money online. This option here, you can have a lot of options to work online starting from zero, and you can definitely start to make money from the first day that you start to work with freelancing. By the way, after I finish this explanation here about these topics, the best ones, I will make a list here and show you in this video the best websites to select your products, select your services, where you can also give your freelancing services, working online, apply for jobs. So there will be a lot of options to work online and start to make money right this week. You can start this week and be ready to evolve yourself working online. Okay, going ahead, we have here the topic number 4, that is sell products online. You can sell physical or digital products online on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or your own e-commerce website. If you are beginning right now and you don't have sufficient knowledge to make your own e-commerce, you can easily start to sell products on Amazon, Etsy. You can be a partner of Amazon with the Amazon Associates and start to sell Amazon products. Courses online, that will be very good. You can sell products about health, like I said here on the first topic about found a niche for you to sell online. There are a lot of options. Okay, going ahead, we have here a great option, that is become an affiliate marketer. This is very powerful to work with affiliate marketing because there is a lot of products to work with, a lot of options where you can start to make money today, this week. You can start to work this week online. There are a lot of options for you. Okay, going ahead here, we have more options to work online. This one I think that is very good after you start to make your first profits, start to make your first money working online, that is invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. But by the way, you have to be careful on this option because you need to invest on what you're gonna have trust. You need to truthfully trust on what you are about to invest here. So if you're about to invest, as an example, Bitcoin or other kind of cryptocurrencies, make a very detailed and advanced search so you can be sure how you're going to invest your money. But it's a great option to increase your money making online. Okay, I think that by now this has been great explained by me here, right? Did you like the way that I explained to you? Make a comment below on this video. I will really appreciate it. Okay, so going ahead here, I'm about to make a new question to ChatGPT to make a list of the best products that you can sell online. Let's do it. Make a list of the best products that I can sell online starting from zero. Let's see the list. Here we have the list from ChatGPT. I will present here for you the best ones that we have to help you choose your product and start to work online and start to make your first money online. Okay, let's get started. Number 1, digital products. You can sell ebooks, online courses, printables, templates, software that is more advanced, but you can find great options even with the AI tools out there, the AI softwares. Digital products have a lot of options, so you definitely gonna have great ways to start to sell online and make money selling digital products. Okay, going ahead, we have here handmade products you can make by yourself if you have the skills, of course. You can make products that you can sell, jewelry, you can, a lot of options here, but this one is more advanced. It's very likely to be an artist to make this option. Going ahead here, I think that the number 5 here is very good, that is health and wellness products. Like I said before here, I totally approve you start to work with health and wellness products. It will be one of the best ways for you to start working online. With the increasing demand for health and wellness products, you can sell products like supplements, fitness equipment, natural remedies. There are a lot of options for you. You can sell, by the way, products that people are searching for, the things that they are needing by the most. You can check it out on Google Trends, make a search on YouTube. So going ahead, we have another great option from this list is the beauty and personal care products. This will be perfect for the women's. You can sell products of beauty and personal care like cosmetics, skincare, hair care products. You can sell a lot of options, mainly for the women's, but there will be a lot of options of customers that you can sell these products. So definitely a great option for you that can affiliate with products like this, make great ways to sell it online and start to make money with these products. Okay, so I think that by now this was a great list here. It's important that you choose, as I said here, a niche that you're gonna have high demand of search. It's important that you have the products that will solve the customer problems and needs, and this way you're gonna be successful working online as possible as you can definitely start to work this week, this month. Start to work as fast as possible, because I believe that you can be successful, and I am here to help you. Now I will make a list here of the best websites for you to start working online and making money online, starting from zero, right from the beginning. Number one, I will make here the list of websites about affiliate marketing. That will be great options for you to choose your products and start to work today. You sign up on these websites free and then start to work. Number one, clickbank.com. This is a great website where you can choose your products to work with affiliate marketing and start to make your sales right on the first week that you start to work here. And in this website you're gonna have great support, so this will be great for you that is on the beginning. Another great website to work online with affiliate marketing is digistore24.com. That's another great website for you to work with digital marketing. You sign up, start to make the selection of your products, and then ask for support here so you can have guidance on your first campaigns and start to sell. Okay, that's it for the affiliate marketing. Let's go ahead to the freelance websites. I have some great options for you here. Number one is Workana. This is a great website for you who's looking to work with freelancing. Here you're gonna have a lot of jobs to apply to work as a freelancer, so definitely a great option for you who's looking to start to make money online right from today. This week you can start to work today. I really recommend you to do it. Okay, another great website of freelancing is Upwork.com. This is another very good website where you can apply for a lot of opportunities to work, and definitely if you make a balance with your work online, definitely on a very short period of time you're about to see results from your work and start to make money as fast as possible. Okay, I think that by now this is a great list here. I will have more videos to explain to you more information to help you about working online. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and stay tuned for my next videos. I'm here to help you. I'm Cristopher Investor, and this is the Life Evolution Project. See you on the next video.